Welcome back. This is Dr. Hadley. This is my series on Microsoft 365 Excel. Our current unit is on functions and formulas. On this really short lesson, we're just going to talk about, I guess the best term is conversion functions. So converting different forms of numbers. So not like conversion from like feet to inches. That's a different lesson. This is specifically converting the same number but in different forms. Okay, so for example, the first one is Arabic equals Arabic. What this does is it converts from Roman to an actual number. So if I did, xi, it does have to be in quotes. It's going to be 11, like it should be. Okay? And of course, the reverse is true too. So equals Roman, and I should get xi. And if I put in Roman, something like the year this country was formed, 1776, I get the Roman number for that. Obviously, trying to remember all that for the backwards to figure out for Arabic is a little weird, but pretty straightforward. How useful it is, I'm not quite sure, but I'm sure there's some situation where you would want at least a quick conversion, because like I said, this is a really fancy calculator, so that gives you that quick conversion. Okay, what would the Roman numeral be for the year I was born, and that kind of thing. Okay, the next pair, so that's Arabic and Roman. The next pair is base and decimal. So this is like converting from base 10, hexadecimal, I think it's called octal for the 8. Binary is a common one. This is how you can kind of convert between the two. So let's do base first. So equals base. And let's say I want to convert 7, the number 7, to hexadecimal. Sorry, not hexadecimal, to binary. Okay, I should get 111, which I do. Okay, and if I want to do, let's say, hexadecimal, so base, and let's do 1776 again. Okay. But this time hexadecimal, which is 16, and I get hexadecimal. I don't understand hexadecimal, so I'm assuming that is right. But I can also do the reverse, so equals decimal. I can convert this binary number to, I still have to give it the same base. So, okay, I'm converting from binary to just normal numbers. And decimal, I'm converting from hexadecimal to an actual number. I get the same thing. Okay. Last one, like I said, this was going to be a very short one, is degrees to radians. Okay, so degrees, radians. Obviously, that's a little bit more mathy, but still a very important conversion function. Very straightforward, though, equals degrees. Okay, so that one, now if you can't remember, well, which one is it going to be? So this is radians to degrees. So basically, the thing you want is the name. So I want degrees, so I'm going to use degrees. Okay. I have no idea in terms of numbers, but if I do 3.14, I should get about 180, like maybe 179 point something. There we go. Because that's pretty much pi, and then if I do the reverse, equals radians, and I do this as 90, I'm going to get something like 1.74, or, 1.57, that's right. Thinking of something else. And that's all we have for this video. Pretty straightforward. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and I will see you on the next one. Have a good day.